हेलो दोस्तों, मैं प्रशांत सर पीएस क्लासेस इलाहाबाद से आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। जी दोस्तों, अगर पहली बार मेरे चैनल को विजिट कर रहे हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और राइट साइड बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दीजिएगा। तो दोस्तों, हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं जूनियर शिक्षक भर्ती के हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के बारे में, जो कि 1 बाय 1 आपको पार्ट वाइज दिया जा रहा है कंटेंट। तो दोस्तों, आप कमेंट करके बताइएगा ये वीडियो कैसा लग रहा है, और ध्यान दीजिएगा ये जो भी कंटेंट आपको दिए जा रहे हैं मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है और इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक शेयर कर दीजिएगा। तो चलिए बात करते हैं ड्रामा विक्टोरियन एज। विक्टोरियन एज के ड्रामा के बारे में बात करें तो ड्यूरिंग विक्टोरियन एज नॉवेल्स एंड पोएटिक वर्क्स वर प्रोमिनेंट एंड ड्रामा डिक्लाइंड बट स्टिल मेनी प्ले राइट्स रोड हिस्टोरिकल प्लेज, melodrama, farce, pantomimes, mimicry, etc. Now the language of the drama of everyday language and conversational language major playwrights of the age are following. क्या था देखिए, ध्यान दीजिए। अल्फ्रेड टेनिसन्स famous plays are Queen May and Beckett. These are historical plays. Thomas Toiler's famous plays are Mask and Faces 1852, Second or 1871. दोस्तों देखिए, एक राइटर्स और माइनर आ रहा है। हेनरी आर्थर जोन्स प्लेस आर द सिल्वर किंग 1882, द टेम्पर 1893, वर्ड्सवर्थ, द बॉर्डरर्स, कोलरेज, रिमर्स 1813, ब्राउनिंग्स, स्ट्रेटफोर्ड 1837, आर्थर विंग पिम्प्रो के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो प्लेस फर्स्ट जो है स्क्वायर 1881 या 1 कह लीजिए, द सेकेंड मिसेज टैंक्वेरी 1893, थॉमस विलियम रॉबर्टसन, his famous plays are डेविड गैरिक्स 1864, सोसाइटी 1865, कास्ट 1867। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं दोस्तों, द एडवारियन पीरियड 1901 से 1914। द एडवारियन पीरियड किंग एडवर्ड Seventh ruled England from 1901 to 1910. He was the son of the Queen Victoria. The Edwardian period named after his reign. The span between the death of Victoria and beginning of the World's War First 1914 is named as the Edwardian period. There was a lot of inequality in society in this era. Rich people and poor people had very different living standard. दोस्तों बात करें फिक्शन ड्यूरिंग एडवारियन पीरियड एरा, तो ड्यूरिंग एडवारियन एरा मल्टीपल जेनर एंड द फॉर्म्स ऑफ नॉवेल्स वर यूज, बट देयर वाज एन इंटरेस्ट इन साइकोलॉजिकल एंड द ह्यूमन सोल्स वाज विजिबल विद द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द रियलिज्म एंड द सुपरनेचुरल एलिमेंट्स। फेमस नॉवलिस्ट ऑफ द एडवारियन एरा Rudyard Kipling 1865 से 1936. He spent many years in India as a journalist. His focus was the life of Anglo-Indians, English people living in India. His famous novels are The Light That Fell 1891, Kim 1901. It is the most famous novels of Kipling. The story set in the Himalayas, very important. Kipling wrote The Jungle Book 1894. It is a collection of the stories or fables. Note anthropomorphisms. It is the attribution of the human traits, emotion and intention to non-human entities, animal, and is considered to be an innate tendency of human psychology. The important character in the Jungle Book, Mowgli, a child who lives in the forest and is the protagonist of the book. Sher Khan the tiger, Balu the bear, and Bagheera, Akela wolf. Rudyard Kipling is also famous for his poetic works. His famous poems are Gunguna Din 1892 and If 1895. Rudyard Kipling received Nobel Prize in Literature 1907. H.G. Wells 1866 से 1946. He is known as originator of the 20th century science fiction. Important देखिए क्या है, his famous quotation is if we do not end war, war will end us. His famous novels The Time Machine 1895, The Invisible Man 1897. Griffin is here the protagonist who is invisible through his research. The First Man in the Moon 1901, and very important, a modern utopia 1905. It is a kind of pamphlet. E.M. Foster 1879 से 1970 की अगर हम बात करें तो फास्टर बिकम अ राइटर शॉर्टली आफ्टर graduation. His famous novels came in 1905 under the title Angels Fear No. I read Forrester spent much time in India and became well acquainted with the conflict between the British Raj and Indian independence movement. His famous novels Howard's 1910 and Room with a View 1909 a Passage to India 1924. In this novel, Forrester present India independence, conflict through the culture clash with the British. दोस्तों ये बात करते हैं, let's know about this. Adela is the heroine of the novel who wants to see the real India. Later she charged of the molestations on Dr. Aziz. The British people were against Dr. Aziz except Cyril's Fieldings. E.M. Foster is also known as the member of Bloomsbury Group. Note देखिए Bloomsbury Group, it was a group of British authors and thinkers of early 20th century. The most significant member of this is very important: Virginia Woolf, Clive Bell, art critic; Roger Fry, painter and the art critic; J.M. Keynes, economist, etc. They were keen on exploring the limit of the thinking on philosophy, humanism, sexuality, gender issues and politics. They represented avant-garde, new and innovative in art and culture. जोसेफ कॉनराड के बारे में अगर बात किया जाए 1857 से 1924, जोसेफ कॉनराड was born in Ukraine. He was a friend of John Galsworthy. His famous novels are Lord Game 1900, Heart of the Darkness 1899. It is a novella, short story. The Secret in Agent 1907. John Galsworthy 1867 से 1934 as a novelist. एडवर्डियन पोइट्री के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. तो आइए, Kenneth Millard, critic, wrote a book Edwardian Poetry 1901. In this book he listed 7 poets under Edwardian poetry: Houseman, Henry Newbat, John Masefield, Thomas Hardy, Edward Thomas, John Davidson and Rupert Brooke. Among these poets, John Masefield and Hardy wrote across both the Edwardian and Georgian period. दोस्तों हम बात करते हैं जॉन मैसफील्ड के बारे में. Let's about John Masefield. 1878 से 1967 he became poet laureate in 1930 after Robert Bruce. His famous poems are Seafarer, appeared in the Saltwater Ballads in 1902, The Everlasting Mercy 1911. He also wrote novels. His famous children's novel is The Midnight Fog 1927. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं दोस्तों, रूपर्ट ब्रूक 1877 से 1915. Brooke 1887 से 1915. He has been identified as a war poet after writing 5 poems on war. The most famous celebrated among them is a sonnet, The Soldier. His another famous poem is a Channel Passage, which is a large poem. दोस्तों आइए बात करते हैं वाल्टर डेनार मोर के बारे में. His famous poetic collection is the Listeners 1912, play during Edwardian period. Drama was not in the vague still, but a few important plays were written during this period. The Dynastus was written by Thomas Hardy. It came in 3 volumes in 1904-06, and Hardy himself said it an epic drama of the war with Napoleon. दोस्तों ये बात करते हैं J.M. Symes के बारे में. 1871 से 1909. J.M. Symes was an Irish dramatist and poet. He contributed greatly to the Irish dramatic movement and in foundation of the Abbey Theatre, National Theatre of the Ireland. His famous play is the play Book of the Western World 1907. Christy Mohan is the playboy of title. Note: Abbey Theatre was founded by the Lady Gregory Edward Martins WB8 Itrasa in 1904. Georgian period के बारे में अगर बात करें 1910 से 1936. During this period, King George V ruled England. He was the son of the Edward VII. The term Georgian period also applied to the reign in England of the George from 1714 to 1813. The term Gargian poetry has come to the connote words which is mainly ruled in subject matter delicate rather than bold and passionate in the manner and tradition. The poetry of the age was experimental in the technique. Most of the authors were common from the Edwardian period. Rupert Brooke, John Masefield, W.H. Davis, वाल्टर डी लामोर वर द मेजर ऑथर्स ऑफ द एज। दोस्तों ये बात करते हैं मॉडर्न पीरियड के बारे में। तो मॉडर्न पीरियड 1914 से 1948, 1909 या 1950 मान लेते हैं। द टर्म मॉडर्न्स केम फ्रॉम द लैटिन मोडो विच मीन्स करेंट। द लिटरेचर रिटन आफ्टर द बिगिनिंग of the First World War is known as modern literature. This age is called the age of the anxiety. The impact of the World War is visible in the work of the authors, and note of the pessimism and anxiety came in the literature because of the World War. Most of the poets were disillusioned. The high degree of complexity and the psychological treatment and some other qualities of the representative literature of the modern age. Many experiments have been made in the technique, form, style and diction. The famous slogan was "Make it new from the common." Various movement and artistic theories like expressionism believed in using violent colors and dynamic movement to the capture moods, images. Expressionism, it also influenced the age. The theories of the Darwin's Sigmund Freud, Friedrich Nietzsche and Stein's Karl Marx, it also influenced the authors. Prose work, not fiction works of the modern age. Sigmund Freud, 1856 to 1939, his exploration of the mind, sexuality, childhood and personality resulted in a series of the theories that altered the very nation of the human. His famous work in the interpretation of the dreams, 1899, here he gave the term conscious, subconscious and unconscious. The mind and the said the personality is governed by unconscious, the greatest part of the mind, and the distortion of the personality is due to clash and or conflict between super ego and id. The ego makes the balance between the both. He gave the theory which known as psychoanalytic criticism literature. He also gave the term Oedipus complex and Electra complex. James G. Fraser's his famous work is the Golden Bough, 1890. In this work he introduced many myths, rituals to the writers. J.C. L. Weston's he wrote From Rituals to Romance, 1920. G.K. Chesterton's he was a versatile writer. He also wrote many biographies including Charles Dickens, A Critical Study, 1906. A.C. ब्रैडली के बारे में दोस्तों अगर बात किया जाए तो 1845 से 1933 हिज फेमस क्रिटिकल वर्क इन शेक्सपियरियन ट्रेजेडी 1904. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई.एस. रिचर्ड्स के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो हिज फेमस क्रिटिकल वर्क इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दोस्तों. पूछा था प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लिटरेरी क्रिटिसिज्म 1922. 24 विलियम इम्पसन की बात करें, ही रोट 7 टाइप्स ऑफ द एम्बिग्यूटी 1930. एल्सी नाइट, दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. हिज फेमस वर्क इज़ हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रेन हैड लेडी मैकबेथ 1933. पूछा गया क्वेश्चन टीजीसी के एग्जाम में. दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉवलिस्ट ऑफ द मॉडर्न एज जॉर्ज ऑरवेल 1903 से 50. हिज रियल नेम वर एरिक आर्थर्स ब्लैर. हिज फेमस नॉवेल्स आर एनिमल फॉर्म 1945. It is a political allegory on the socialism. The novel is based on Joseph Stalin, the betrayal of the Russian Revolution. It suggests that equalities, utopia, and exploitations always the key is any social structure. Snowball, Napoleon's, Stalin's, boxers, horse, Mr. Jones, Old Major, Calls, Max, etc. 1984. Published in 1949, it is a dystopian novel. Evelyn Wang's 1903 to 1966. His novels are Historics and comics in the nature he following are Nature, the following are his major novels: Decline and Fall 1922-28, Handful of the Dust 1934, James Joy 1882 से 1941. He was an Irish novelist well known for his experimental use of language. He created a unique language of the invented word, pun and illusion. His famous novels are क्या था दोस्तों? A Patriot of the Artist as Young Man 1916. The novel presented the theme of the growth of the Stefano Dedalus. Ulysses की अगर हम बात करें 1922, the novels based on the dream of consciousness technique. The term was coined by William James. This is very important in the Principles of Psychology 1890. It is a way of narration that depicts the continuous flow of the thoughts and feelings which pass through the minds. The major characters in Ulysses are Leopold Bloom, Monley Bloom, Stephens Dedalus, Itrasa. Virginia Woolf 1882 से 1941. She was the member of the Bloomsbury group. This is very important. TGT में पूछा गया है. She was a prolific writer. Her lengthy essay A Room of One's Own 1929. It is often quoted by the supporters of the feminism. Note, she was called mother of stream of consciousness. This is very important. Consciousness technique. She said in December 1910, human characters change. Her famous novels are following: Jacob's Room 1922, Mrs. Dalloway 1925. The novel is based on a stream of consciousness technique. She tells a one-day story of the Clarissa Dalloway. To the Lighthouse 1927 and Orlando Biography 1928. तो दोस्तों आज की क्लास में बस यहीं तक. आपको करना क्या है कि जितने भी मेरे क्लासेस दिए जा रहे हैं उसको रिवीजन करते रहना है और ये आपके लिए रामबाण की तरह काम करेगी. बता दें दोस्तों कि मेरे चैनल के द्वारा PS क्लासेस के द्वारा जो आपको कंटेंट प्रदान किए जा रहे हैं वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट हैं. इसको दोस्तों करना क्या, आपको अच्छे से बार बार रिवीजन करना है और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक शेयर भी कर दीजिएगा. अगर अभी तक हमारे चैनल को आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और राइट साइड में बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दीजिएगा ताकि सबसे पहले हमारा वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके. तो दोस्तों प्लीज़, ये आपका अपना चैनल है. प्रशांत सर आप सभी के लिए हार्ड वर्क करते हैं ताकि आप सभी आगे जाएं. तो अपने प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, लाइक करिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक शेयर करिएगा. एंड तक आपने वीडियो को देखा. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.